Hi, it's Liz from Saddlebrook Soapery. So I'm in a little bit of a panic, I guess. I'm making some more soap for a big craft show I have coming up, and this is probably like the last night I have to really make the soap to make sure I have enough and make sure there's enough cure time. I grabbed this Mad Oils Maniacal Pea, kind of like a nice lighter green color with maybe a little white swirl in there. And then on top, I'm thinking about putting some of these, they're actual real rosebuds, and I can link that up down below. So I got those on Amazon. So I guess I don't need this many buckets. Clear out my space a little bit, and let's get started. I'm back to put the roses on this soap. It stayed really nice and liquidy, so I was able to do some nice swirls on top. And so I think I'm just going to put, I was trying to see if this rose would set in here because it's so thin. I needed to set up a little bit, so I did all the dishes and everything. So I think I'm just going to put a rose on the edge. This gets cut in half, so I'll have like an edge over there and an edge over here with the roses. I've been FaceTiming quite a bit with my daughter because her little one, she has a little 1-year-old, has just started walking. She's so stinking cute. I'll have to show you a video sometime of her walking. But, oh, she's so funny. She calls me Nana. And then she will tell my daughter, Nana, Nana, and so my daughter will FaceTime me. But then, when she sees me, she'll go like this, more, with her hands. She says she knows the sign language for more. But she wants more of the dogs. So I'll say more Nana or more dogs. And she'll try to say dogs. She goes, she says it backwards. Instead of doggy, she says Gida. Or sometimes she'll get it a little bit. She's working on it, but she likes to see the dogs on FaceTime. So I'll switch the camera around and so she can see the dogs. And then after a while I'll switch it back and I'll say, more Nana? And she'll say no. You know, she does her little hand signal that she wants the dogs again. It was so funny. All right, there we go. There she is. The colors turned out really nice. I love this green, this maniacal pea. If I want to just have a nice bright green, I always reach for this one. And I like the roses on top. I like the simplicity of this design.